Welcome back to this session. In this session, we are going to demonstrate how to save our outputs gotten from SPSS. All right, so how do we save the output we get from our SPSS analysis? Now, assuming that we've quickly carried out a correlation analysis, I have put in my two variables into my box. It's going to give me a result, right? This is my correlation results. Now, assuming I carry out another analysis, all right, assuming I carry out another analysis and I move my grouping variable down here, I define it, and then I move all my individual response into this box and I click on OK. Now you can see that my output table has been produced. If I scroll up, you will see my first output. My first output is right here, the correlation table. And if you scroll downward, you can see my my t-test, my comparison output for male and female for the each of the items. Now, if I want to save this, what am I going to do? You go to File, click on File, click on File, click on Export. Now, SPSS takes you to the default file type that's going to save it. It's going to save it in Word document file type. But if you click on this drop-down arrow, it will show you other formats that you can have it saved. If you want it to be saved in PowerPoint format, you select this. If you want it to be saved in PDF format, select this. But we want to remain in the default format, which is Word. All right, so we can copy and we can edit as well, because Word will be very helpful, preferable for us. Now, you're going to go to Browse. Now, SPSS default setting is to save the output on the document folder. But I like to have my outputs on my desktop. So I'm going to click this drop-down arrow and move this my bar, this rectangular bar, move it until you find your desktop. All right. So when you find your desktop, it's right here. I'll double click on it. So it's showing me everything that I have on my desktop, all the files. Now I want to save it on my desktop, so I'm going to name it. So I'll name it SPSS output analysis. Whatever you save it. And once you click on save, and then you are going to click on OK. You can see that it's saying exporting progress. So if I minimize my screen, you will see that this is my SPSS output. If I double click on it, I should be able to view the output that has been saved. So you can save your output with your name, whatever the case might be. So it'll be easy for you to identify it, or you can save it based on the analysis that you carried out. Now you can see that it has saved my output. This is my correlation table, and this is my group statistics. So this is how we save. This is how we carry out. We save our SPSS outputs on our desktops. So thank you.